I stayed in a great hostel called the amazing Hostel Sayulita. It's tucked away in one of the side streets, just a bit away from the main part of town. For a more quiet and local vibe, you can find small fruit shops, cafes, and some amazing local Mexican street food down this side street from the hostel. On weekends, they even open an outdoor market with all kinds of clothing, trinkets, souvenirs, and street food for you to enjoy. Make sure you take the time to walk to the far right side of the beach. There you will find side streets that will lead you to a more quiet, less populated part of the beach. Come here to relax, bring your own drinks, and just to get away from the noisy part of the main beach. If you have some downtime, make sure to check out the Farmers Market, which runs every Friday, usually from November through April. You won't want to miss this market, which local farmers and families come here to offer natural, high-quality products. This market provides sustainable fresh food to the community of Sayulita. You will find organic and many vegan options here, like fruits, veggies, sauces, baked goods, hummus, salsa, vegetarian burritos, and the list goes on. And of course, all of the vendors offer free samples for you to try before you buy. You can spend most of the afternoon here eating, shopping, and taking in the local vibes. Just ask any of the locals or shop owners about the Friday market, and they will be happy to tell you the location. As you see here, you can take a nice walk all the way to the left when facing the beach, to a quieter, more calmer side of Sayulita. This beach is called Playa de los Muertos, which translates to Beach of the Dead, and is a hidden gem of Sayulita. I would highly suggest taking the 10-minute walk from the main busy part of Sayulita to get away, relax, and escape the noise. You will even find one barbecue stall here which sells delicious grilled seafood. As you can see here, they prepared some fish on a skewer as well as some grilled pineapple, which was very delicious. I would suggest taking the food with you to go and find a nice spot on the beach, take in the nice scenery and relaxing views. If you are a photographer or have a drone, I would highly suggest coming here for some beautiful shots. I hope you enjoyed exploring some of the hidden gems and local food markets with me. Join me in part 3 as we continue our journey in beautiful Sayulita, Mexico.